we have double front crossing shuffles. To break this down, you have a brush out. When you spank it back in, you cross over. You're going to go off the side of your tap shoe back out and spank back. To the other side, you have spank front, spank back, out onto the side of your tap shoe, and spank back again. So that's a short combo you may use with your students would be step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So you have 2 shuffles crossing in front, a third one crossing in front, and you're going to continue your shuffles all the way around in a rond de jambe, ending crossing back. Let's try it nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. Let's try it to the other side. Nice and slow. 7, 8. Good. So you want to make sure on your crossing shuffles you lean back a little bit in order for all the sounds to be made, and you're sickling your foot when you come out. Let's try it full speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to try this up tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. Left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. A Shim Sham double pullback. So to break that down, you ball change on and 8, spank, 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 double pull back, ball change, spank, 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 double pull back, ball change. Other side, spank, 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 double pull back, ball change, and spank, 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 double pull back, ball change. Good. Let's try it nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, double pull back, ball change, same leg. Switch legs. Same leg. You want to make sure when you ball change before the double pullback, you're in a deep plie to ensure nice crisp sounds in your double pullback. Let's try up tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a paradiddle combo. I'm going to go over double and triple paradiddles. A double is 1 and 2 and dig heel. A triple would be 1 and 2 and 3 and dig heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and dig heel. So the combo goes double paradiddle step, double paradiddle step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, single paradiddle step. So I'm going to break that down one more time. Double paradiddle step, other side. Double paradiddle step. Triples. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Paradiddle stop. Let's try that nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Good. Let's try it to the left. Nice and slow. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Good. So you want to make sure your students aren't crunching their toes in multiple paradiddles. So in their doubles and triples, their toes are nice and relaxed, which provides for free range for them to hit every sound. Let's pick it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Single. Left side, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a full rhythm turn. So, beginning with the shuffle, you have brush out, spank in, step. Your heel is going to bring you into your half turn. Heel, heel, toe, toes, bringing you all the way around. Again, that's shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. Let's try that one slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7. Other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Let's pick up the speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Moving on, we have toe stand turns. In this step, you start in a deep plie. You're going to jump onto the tips of your toes while making a 360-degree turn. In this step, you really want to make sure you're getting all the way on top of your toe and not falling back. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For our next step, we'll be going over nerve taps. In a nerve tap, you're hitting the floor repetitively, nice and fast. In this step, you really want to make sure that your working quad is nice and engaged while keeping your ankle loose. Also, you want to make sure that your toes aren't crunched up against the floor and they're nice and relaxed. With nerve taps, you can do it in several different positions. Today, we're going to work on the ball of the foot, the heel, and the tip of the toe. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, 2, 3, 4. Ball, change, step, other side. Moving forward, we have a riffle. To break that down, we start with a riff, dig, scuff, and you're just going to bring that working leg back into a spank. That's dig, scuff, spank. So in this step, you want to make sure you're getting a nice deep plie on your supporting leg to support you and make sure you hit every single sound on that working leg. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, slow. Good. Let's pick up that speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we have a stamp step riff heel turn. So that's good. To break that down, you're going to stamp, switching your weight to the side, come to the other side with a step, riff, heel to bring you all the way back around. Stamp, step, riff, heel. Let's try it nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So you want to make sure you're maintaining a sharp spot to get you all the way around. Let's pick up the speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on, we have crossover wings in a box. That's 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and an 8. Good. So to break that down, we have cross, wing, switch your spot, cross, wing, switch your spot, cross, wing, switch your spot, cross, wing, switch your spot. So every time your feet come together after the wing, you're going to switch from side, back, side, front. You really want to make sure you're getting that nice deep cross with a deep plie to make sure you're getting all your wing sounds. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we have a reverse cramp roll. So, in a reverse cramp roll, rather than starting on the balls of your feet, you're going to start on your heel. So that's dig, dig, toe drop, toe drop. Again, that's on your heel, heel, and then you just drop your toes. Remember, in a cramp roll, whichever foot you start with, you're going to finish with. So that's heel, heel, you're going to drop this toe first, and then this one. Let's try it nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7, switch. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, toe. Good. So in these reverse cramp rolls, you want to make sure you're getting nice and far back on your heel to get a nice loud toe drop. If your heels are too low, your toes are going to be way too low. Let's try it quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8. Moving on, we have dig slides. In this step, you're going to be sliding with your front foot flexed and your back foot dragging behind. In this step, you want to make sure you're running with 2 deep runs, and then you're going to slide across the floor like so. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run, run, slide. Run, run, slide. Next, we have a heel stand turn. In this step, you're going to step onto your heel, sharp spot to the side, pick up your opposing leg to go again. In this step, you want to make sure you're maintaining that sharp spot to get you around every time. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Let's pick up the speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.